Okay, class 11th. Now in this video we are starting here next module, that is statics. All the functions are included in the statics method, or we can say module. To do this work we have to import here statics method as we were importing math or random modules over there. So let's see how to do it. First you have to import here, import statics. Static is the module name and import is a keyword, that is a reserved word, you have to write in lowercase only. So this statement you have to write down, then after that you can access all these methods, all these functions of this module. Let's suppose we have to just count the mean of uh, the x we are passing as a sequence. So statics dot mean function we are taking here, and x we are passing here as a sequence. It can be list or it can be an array. So we are just passing this x here. Let's see the example over there. Statics we are taking like as statics dot operator we are using, and then mean function we are using. Then we can take here list of 11, 24, 32, 45, 51. These elements we are taking like as, or we can say array we also can take in this functions argument. So mean function will calculate the mean and it would return you as an output, that is 32.6. So these are built-in functions only, which are resided in the particular module. We have to just access by the importing statement. Now the next one is median. If we want to calculate the median here, now the same process will be going on. What we have to do, statics dot median, and n will pass here as the list over there. So if we pass here, now the example, let's see, statics dot median, then this list we have to just pass of all the numeric values we are taking. Remember this one, if we take here any list, so we can't include here text type data. Here we have to just include all the numeric values over there, because we have to just perform mathematical functions, statistical functions. So it's compulsory that we have to take all the data if we are taking lists. So we have to just take numeric data type only. So 11, 24, 32, 45 and 51 we are taking as the elements of the list over there. So median will be calculated and 32 as the output we are getting here. Now the next one is mode. So mode function we are just getting here the same syntax we are following, only the function name is different. X is a sequence here. So mode function will be calculated like as statics dot mode. Here is a mode function, and now list we are passing here. Now list we are passing here, and 11 as the output. After calculating the mode of this list, here we are getting the output over there like as. Or we can also apply this mode function on this kinds of data of text here. If we pass here in the form of tuples here, so red, blue, red, these are the passing here. So mode will be given as a red, and on the string also we are just calculating the mode only. So we are having here as per the functions output red here as the output we are getting here. Now some important points over there. Firstly, import statement can be written anywhere in any program. It's not necessary just you have to write down at the top of the program over there. You can include it in your program anywhere. So now the next one is module must be imported only once. If you want to use this module, any module among all these three, so you have to just import it only one time. In order to get a list of module available in the Python, we can use here help function. This is important. Help function, why we use it? To get a list of modules available in the Python, we can use here help, and in the argument of this help function we have to just pass the module as a string. So it will show you all these modules are available in the Python library. So next one is to view the content of module. if we want to see the contents of modules also, so we have to just type here help again function, but this time we have to write the name of the module over there. Like math, if we write here, so we can see all the contents of the modules. So these are the helping hands, these are the some important notes, some important instructions about the module over there. Now here is one thing left, that is from statement. Another way of importing the modules, we are just using here from statement also. So what we are doing with the from statement, only this much. From, we have to just write down this statement we will include in our next video.